Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Raina Ray.
Give it to mama. Give it to mama. Give it to mama. For some strange reason, you're done pleasing me like it's okay.
Okay, so this video is going to be about how to establish yourself as an influencer. I know there are many of you who want to be influencers, and a lot of you are currently influencers. But like I said, there is so many things to learn about being an influencer. It's not an easy route to take. Many people will tell you to get a real job, but it can be something that's super fun. You know, I feel like there is not a stigma when it comes to being an influencer. It's all about, you know, you just being yourself. So if you are not already following me on Instagram, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Raina Ray Style, which will be right here on the screen. And if you have not checked out Catchy Charisma by now, you need to head there because that will be on the screen as well. And yeah, so let's go right ahead and get into this video. So I like to think of the term as influencer as an authoritative figure, someone that people look up to, someone that people like to emulate, someone that people can say, hey, you know, this is somebody I can relate to. Someone that has some type of control, not in a bad way. It can be if you don't use your platform right. But if you're using your platform right, and being an influencer is a way of having a voice for people. So let's not lose sight of what a true influencer is. A true influencer is very genuine. A true influencer is honest. A true influencer is someone that will not direct you in the wrong direction. If I say, hey, you know, buy this product because I really love it, I'm going to tell you I really love this because I use this product, I experience this product, I know the ups and downs of this product. I can tell you this product inside and out. Okay, so how to establish yourself as an influencer. I know you're thinking like, what do I need to do, you know? There are different levels to this. Okay, so the tip number one that I do want to provide you all with on how to establish yourself as an influencer, you want to make sure that you know your niche. Know who you want to influence, basically, in short. Know who you want to influence, because that's very important. That will help you get a lot further. You can't influence everyone. I mean, you can influence many people. You shouldn't be trying to influence everybody. Pick your niche, roll with that niche, help that niche, and be an influence to that niche. You need to be yourself. Be yourself, okay? Never try to be someone else. Never do what someone else is doing unless it's like in some cases you don't have to recreate the wheel when the wheel has already been created. But what I want to say is just be yourself, you know, do not copy what someone else is doing. And if you are going to copy them, make sure you give them a salute like, hey, I am inspired by you. And then you want to choose your social media platform that you want to be an influencer on. I mean, you can influence on YouTube, you can influence on Instagram, Twitter, whatever. Whatever your thing is, I say go for it. I just so happen to be an Instagram influencer and partway YouTube as well. I'm such a visual person. Instagram is very visual. YouTube is visual. I'm sitting right here in your front room and you're watching my video. You know what I mean? Stuff like that. Now, you want to develop your content strategy. You want to make sure that you are developing something that can influence your niche, okay? So I do want to say, you know your content, know what you're putting out, know who's looking for that content, know who you're catering to, know who you're influencing, and know your stuff, and provide them with the proper things that they're looking for. And then you want to grow your network. That's very important. You know, you can even start in your city, like I always say. I'm from the Bay Area, I'm from San Francisco to be exact, but I moved and lived in different places, which is why it made it a lot easier for me to be able to connect with a lot of people and network. I lived in LA. I was there for a while. I was able to network there. I am still networking there, and I still have people that I've met there that I'm very close with. Being an influencer is so many downsides to it as well. I mean, we only see the cute things like, oh, you get free stuff. Oh, you can make money. Oh, you know, people know you. Oh, people follow you. Oh, you get thousands of followers a day. No, it's so many other things that goes into it. You know, you have so many brands that try to take advantage of you. You have so many different avenues that will try to exploit you in a way if you are not on your P's and Q's and not being business savvy. You have to be business savvy. It's easier to say, hey, you know, I can give free stuff, but you know, think about it. Everything free is not good. It's about integrity at the end of the day. You want to have your integrity while you're an influencer. I think it's very important that we do cover that ground, because stepping into this business is not the easiest thing to do. It's fun. It's very rewarding. I love it. I wouldn't have it no other type of way. So now I want to go into my next one. So you want to, as you start growing yourself and you start getting this name and this brand and people start knowing who you are and reaching out to you, you know, you are doing a great job when you have big brands reaching out to you. Trust me, I know I've worked with big brands, so you are making a wave because you're being seen, and that's great. Don't let it get to your head, which many of us influencers and YouTubers, we always let stuff get to our head. And it's like, no. Remain humble and stay true to self. Don't let things get to your head. You want to engage with your followers when you do develop that following. It's very important, or else it's just like, you're not engaging with me, so I'm going to go and find a different influencer to follow. That's how your followers think when you don't engage to them. So keep that in mind, you know, really engage with your followers. It's important. They are the people that make you an influencer, okay? Because you're not really an influencer if you're not influencing people. Let's just be honest. Okay, so now that we have covered that ground, I can go right ahead and dive right on into what I wanted to tell you all. Okay, so I did give you a few tips on how to be an influencer, how to go about doing these things. I'm offering a service at a cost now. If you want some of me, Raina Ray's secrets in business and influencing, I want you to visit CashyCharisma.com to sign up for the services. They will be there. The services have just went live a few days ago, and I'm telling you, slots are filling up. You know what I mean? So definitely head over there. If you're very interested in having a one-on-one coaching mentoring for me, I can give you more insight on how to run a successful business. If you already have a business, I can help you with your current business. If you're looking to start a business, I can help you with that startup. If it comes down to you wanting more information about influencing, I can give you the ins and outs of that. Because like I said, I went down this road. I've worked with brands. I know how to get you to work with brands. Hey, it's all a service. It's all me here mentoring you to help you be a better you. Like I said, the services are going fast. I am taking on a very limited amount of people. I want to make sure I'm devoting my time to select people. So I really encourage you to head over there now and sign up if you're interested, and we can talk further. I can also sometimes alter. So like if you tell me like, hey, well, I really need help with X, Y, and Z, and if you don't see X, Y, and Z listed in the services, hey, if you're interested in the services, make sure you just throw that in there and tell me like, hey, you know, this is about where I'm at with my business so far, or I'm about here with my influencing career so far. So just let me know what your progress, like let me know how far you have already come and what you need help with, and I can be that person there, your mentor, to help you out with that. This is something I've been wanting to do for a while. You know, I am a consultant, so I do this, but I do want to make sure I am offering you all some substance here. I want you to have a nice glow up, okay? So make sure you head over to CashyCharisma.com to sign up for the services if you're interested. And I do want to say thank you all so much for still watching my content. I see y'all. I know y'all. I love y'all. So I want to say thanks again for watching, and until next time. And don't forget to be bold and fierce at all times. Love yourself. Embrace yourself. Don't let no one tear you down. See you in my next video. Peace.